This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WooCommerce app. This powerful tool puts your entire online store right in your pocket, giving you the freedom to manage your business on the go. You can access crucial information and perform essential tasks directly from your mobile device, ensuring your store runs smoothly no matter where you are. It's designed to simplify your daily operations and keep you connected to your business. Managing your products and orders is incredibly straightforward with the app. You can quickly add new items, adjust prices, or update product descriptions in just a few taps. When new orders come in, you'll receive instant notifications, allowing you to process them efficiently. You can change order statuses, add tracking information, and ensure your customers receive their purchases promptly, all from your phone. Understanding your store's performance is vital, and the app provides robust analytics. You can view daily, weekly, or monthly sales figures, identify your best-performing products, and track customer behavior. This data helps you make informed business decisions. Furthermore, you can engage with your customers directly, responding to inquiries or providing order updates, fostering stronger relationships and improving satisfaction. The WooCommerce app offers various settings to personalize your experience. You can tailor notifications to receive alerts for new orders, low stock, or customer messages, ensuring you never miss an important update. For those managing multiple stores, the app allows seamless switching between different WooCommerce sites, providing a unified management experience. It's designed to adapt to your unique business needs and workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.